Okay, let's go ahead and do calendar notebook. You need to get your calendar notebooks out. And found my purple, by the way. But I also found this dark green I haven't used before, so I wanted to do that one. Let's go ahead and get started. We finished with our month of April, and we are now at the month of May. Today is Monday, so we have to put in for the weekend. And this is one of those tricky times, so make sure that you put yours in the right spot. So Friday was the 1st, Saturday would be the 2nd, that's the 2. Sunday would be the 3. Now this is important. If you put it in this top spot, it's going to run into our numbers that are already there. So it has to come into the next row for our number 3. There we go. That's for Sunday is 3. If Sunday was the 3rd, that means today will be the 4th. Thank you, everyone. Which means that it is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Let's turn the page and turn the page for writing the dates in May. Let's start with our months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is May, so when we look and find May, wait a minute, they both start with M-A. I do know that if I say them, I can figure out which is which. January, February, March, April, May. So I can find out that May is the 5th month. If I'm not sure, I can always say them because we say them in a certain order. Now, what was today's day, today's number? We're not sure. We can go back and look and see it was the 4th. So let's go ahead and put a 4 in next. Then we'll put a dash. And the last thing we'll put in will be the year. Shortcut 2020. 2 and a 0. So our date to date is 5-4-20. And when we have things in a certain order like this, anybody that comes and sees that 5-4-20 will automatically think it's a date. They won't think it's a phone number. They won't think it's an address because it has a certain pattern to it. Okay, let's turn the page and turn the page and turn. That's very colorful. And turn the page. And now we will be at, I have enough, let's see. I think I better go here with the number 2, or number 4. And I'm going to go ahead and go with the green, since I'm using green today. Where was the 1st? Okay, there's the 1st. Okay, so here we'll put our 2 in the first box. Today is the, not the domino. Let's try this again. Today is the 4th, so let's put a 4 here. We'll do our domino when we get to that page. I was kind of rushing ahead, wasn't I? Show me what a 4 will look like on a 10 frame and be ready to answer. Okay. Tristan, I don't know why, but I think I pull you out a lot for this. So Tristan, what will 4 look like on a 10 frame? And where? Top row, but not all the way full, leaving the 1 at the end blank. Because we know that a top row is 5, and if we take 1 away from 5, that gives us 4. If 5, we take 1 away, that makes 4. So we know that if we fill in these, that makes 4, and we don't have to count. We'll turn the page. There's April, and we are in May now. So we were going to need to make some tally marks for Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday, so we will do 3 fingers today. So let's see. Ethan, when do we get to zing? Good, tomorrow. That's right, because we have 4 and a line through. Tomorrow we'll get to zing. We always get to zing on 5. Turn the page, Now we'll do our domino. Make yours look like mine. A 2 in the first box. 1, 2, and a 3 in the next box. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, I want you to write the equation that goes with this and be ready to tell me your addition equation. Hunter. Hunter, what will be my addition equation? 2, because I have 2 in the first box, plus, good, because I am adding, that's addition, 3. Okay, so what's on this side of the equal sign has to be the same as what's on that side of the equal sign. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Good. Okay, everybody read that with Hunter, please. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Good job. Okay, let's turn the page, and turn the page, and turn the page. And we're going to go ahead and do our dice today. They're hiding in my count-on numbers, so if I can get 2 of them out. Okay, let's see what we get here. All right, we have a 5 and we have a 1, a 5 and a 1. So put the bigger in our head, which would be 5, and count 1 more. 5, 6. Good, so we get to do a 6 here. That's what we had on Friday. We have a 6 there. So, can we say the most? Tinley, give me a sentence using the word the most. Good. Tinley says 7 has the most. All right. Lucy, give me a sentence using the words the least. Right. Nothing has the least because, look, 2 and 12 are still tied for the least. If we get a 2 or a 12, that will take care of that problem. Now, Lily, can we say more? Okay. How about this? 4, it has more than 3. True? Good. Let's make a sentence using the words the same. Riley, can we say the same? Yes. For an example, 4 and 9 have the same. 3 and 5 have the same. Can we make a sentence with the same and 7? No, because 7 doesn't have the same as anything else. Let's turn our page and turn our page, and let's take a look at our May page. Now, it is afternoon, and this morning it was sunny, but here and it is raining right now. In fact, we had some storm earlier, and I had to stop taping because the lightning was so, and the thunder was so strong and loud. It shook my whole house. Turn the page, and we have to go all the way through till we get to here. This is where we left off, and it was Alex and Kinsley and Tinley carried library books. They each had 3, and that's how we got to 9. 3, 6, 9. Okay, so today says Xander and Hunter were playing baseball. Okay, so Xander caught 8 fly balls. So here's Xander, so I'm going to put him over here, give him an X for his name. And it says that he caught 8 fly balls, so that's an important number, 8. So let me have his balls right here. There's 8. And then it says that Hunter, he also caught some fly balls. Hunter caught 8 fly balls too, so let me put a picture of Hunter. So put Hunter on yours and put an H by his name. So this is his, and he caught 8. Now, the question asked, how many fly balls did they catch? And we have to do our thinking, so the picture, and we have to do an equation. So let's take a look at what our question says. Our question says, we're not comparing the two to see who has more and who has less. We are looking to see how, here's our question right here. How many fly balls did they catch? How many did they catch? That's what we want to find out. So in that case, we want to know how many all together. So are we going to be adding or subtracting? Right, we will be adding. So we're going to be adding them together. So my equation is going to look like what? Xander has 8. Okay, there's Xander's 8. And Hunter has 8. We decided that we are adding. So what will go here if we are adding? Mia? A plus. That's right. When we are adding, we put a plus. Then we're going to need to have a symbol that's going to show the same on one side as the other side. So Xander, what symbol do I put here? Equals. That's right, is equal to sign. Now, in order to figure this out, we would need to count all of them all together. So go ahead and count how many they had all together. Good. Everybody go ahead and tell me the addition equation with the answer. Good. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Good job. And then tomorrow we will go ahead and do some more. Let's go ahead and do our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And let's go ahead and you can go back on some of the other videos if you need to do your practicing, your counting by 5s or counting by 10s. But we haven't said our seasons in a while, and that's something we need to remember. There are 4 seasons in our year, and they are, say them with me please, winter, spring, summer, fall. Good job. Good job. I hope you're having a good day, even though it's kind of a rainy day. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. And I can't wait to tell you tomorrow from our morning message about who was watching when I did the morning message this morning. Okay, can't wait to tell you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.